going to cover rhythmic patterns, and it's going to start with the teacher doing a PowerPoint presentation in front of the class. The first slide is going to talk about the generic concept of rhythm in an everyday sense. Then it will talk about rhythm in a performance in the world of music. Then we'll continue to talk about rhythm in the concept of notation and how we write down and record the different types of rhythm. So in order to do that, we have to establish the different types of notes and just the names for now and their corresponding rests. The next slide will talk about the rhythmic pyramid with more of a visual to talk about the relationship between the notes and also introduce a concept called subdivision, which is how the notes will interact with one another. The next slide, we're going to talk about beat values, which is getting into more of the music theory behind the notes and how we actually operate and perform rhythmic values.
Now to test the or for formative assessment for the students, we'll get them to go to Kahoot. And then once they go to Kahoot, there'll be a PIN number, and so of course they'll type that in and push enter, and then they'll type in their nickname. So down at the bottom of the screen, all their names and stuff is going to pop up, and then us as the teacher will press start. So we're just going to have about 4 different questions. It's pretty simple and basic, but we just wanted to make sure that they got the basis of the lesson. And so it's just going to go over the types of notes and what beats they have and stuff like that.
And our objective was that they would get 3 out of 4 correct. So then we would do a formative assessment after the results come in.